Hi guys, it's me. So, I had a dilemma with this lock because I couldn't get the car out. So I've had to pick it again so that it's open now. Oh, sorry, this side. And now we're going to gut it. So I thought I'd show you what we do. Oh, hopefully you can see everything from there. So yeah, it took me a minute to get the C-clip that don't look much like a C-clip anymore, but we'll sort that out once I come to put it back together. But I could not gut this lock without picking it, because I always have a natural habit to turn my lock back to the locked position. I was like, oh bummer, and I could not for love nor money get the car out, so I had to pick it open again, which thankfully, because I know I've done it once, I know I can do it twice. So if I'm a follower, I think it's this one we need to use, and then the lock is turned, so if we do it that way, and make sure that's all the way through. I hope you can see this, guys, because I can't see my camera when it's my phone's this way around. Oh, yeah, there it is, thankfully. I was a bit concerned my shim had not gone all the way through. So yeah, I didn't realise I do actually need the key, or I need the lock to be in the open position. For me to be able to gut it. So here we go. Key pins. Standard. Standard. Oh, bloody long. Wow. Can you see that, guys? Yeah? I'll show you in a minute, but that key pin there is massive. Right. Come on, you blooming thing. That's probably because I'm hammering with the wrong hand. Come out and went back in again, folks. Wow, these key pins are massive. See, I've only seen the key pins that I made, because that's the only Yale I've taken apart, is the sideways side challenge lock, where it be the tweezers. So, wow, look at the length on them. Look at the size of that, bruv. Oh, boggle. I know it landed on table, but that's not very helpful when your table's not tidy, Sarah. There it is. So, try again. The length on them, they are really long. Anyway, we won't try that again so we don't spill any. So that can go in there, not that way around, door up. And then this goes this way. And the shim can go back. So, what was in this bloody thing that took me so long to open it? him. So in chamber 5. Yep. Is that serrated? No. No, it ain't. If they're all standard, I'm going to cry at my lock picking abilities. Oh, thank goodness for that. We've got a spool. There we go. A spool in 4. And then a spool in 3. Is it a spool? Or is it just the way it looks in the light? Well, yeah, it's kind of a spool. Poppity pop, another spool. And what do we have in the last one? There we go, a standard. We don't need to faff around with all the springs. So, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I have no idea what was keeping me hooked up for so long. I think it was this one. No, it's not a spool, that's just a standard. So, there's only 2 spools. If you can see, ladies and gentlemen. Let me bring it closer to the camera. There you go. All standard, 2 spools. Oh my days. And why did that take so long? But look at the length on them key pins, man. Yeah, that's a whole lot of keeping to play around with and manufacturing. Look at all the gunk that's come out of these. But anyway, yeah, that's what was in my Yale. No idea what were keeping me so hooked up. None of the key pins are modified in any way. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. As always, have a good day.